are. Special stuffed critter. I'm calling it critter because I don't know which you're going to pick. What do you want to pick, Leo? This is our first time. Pikachu? Wait, you got to tell her first. You don't just yank it off the shelf. Here, let's look around some more. What else do we got?
Should I choose
Toothless. Ooh.
Or I choose Charizard. Charizard if there's no.
Oh, look at the Mickey. Look at the Mickey one. That's pretty cool. Looking at like Mickey. Here, let's look at these other things over here. What is that? She said a Spider-Man bear.
Spider-Man, 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 Spider-Man. Wow, wow.
These are them, how they look when they're stuck. So we get to make our own special one. Which one are you looking at?
I chose Charizard.
Alright, we're going to get it stuck.
If you didn't know, Charizard can fly.
Step on the pedal.
Be careful.
Getting them dressed, guys. Look.
How about your Charmander? Alright, can you take a picture? Nice list, because I think you've been a pretty good boy. Sign it.
I did it small for other people.
Say hi, that's awesome.